And God said, let there be light. And there was this light. Even though this vlog has nothing to do with this light. My name is Az and welcome to the Hayati channel. We're making a very special video, meaning a very different video to our channel. We're in Canary Wharf to check out their winter lights, which is basically their light art, illuminative light art, and some of them are very interactive, some of them have sound in it, very impressive sound. Dazzling, marvelous, splendid, impressive lights. Now there are 26 light art dispersed in different areas within Canary Wharf. Some of them are a bit mission to get there, and some of them are really close to each other, like might have 2, 3 or 4 in one area. Highly recommend you to get a map either from the website or you can actually get it from the site. Of course, it's a free admission, which is an amazing thing, and it's amongst the free things to do here in London. Obviously very selected dates. It's running between the January the 16th until the 25th of January, between the times of 4 p.m. until 10 p.m. every single day. To get there, obviously there's several public transport. You can take the Jubilee line, you can take the Dockland Light Railway, and there's bus services. Do check their Canary Wharf Winter Light website for all that information. This is the 6th anniversary. These lights, some of them are on a tree, some of them are on very unique style. When you get there, when you see the video, you'll actually appreciate. A big shout out to all the artists who actually designed this. Shut the hell up. Shut up. I said yeah. So when you get there, all of the lights are numbered, and they all have on the information board where it gives you a brief history about the light itself, the designer of the light and what it signifies. Moreover, there's stewards and staff members there, very friendly in my experience, most of them, to help you out too. I would recommend not to come at 4 p.m. to wait until it gets really dark so you can appreciate the true beauty of the light. The light itself doesn't look very impressive when it is not very dark. Be sure to take lots of photos and selfies. That is one of the primary things people do. You will see people with all sorts of cameras there. I would say try not to come on a rainy day, although they do say they do continue in adverse weather, but it can mess up your experience if you come on a rainy day. It can get very tiring, so be sure you got scarves, gloves, and you are ready for the weather.
Comfortable walking shoes.
And you got plenty of sleep and energy, because you'll be walking and walking. Because the problem is there's so many people walking around. They come from all around Europe and all around the world.
Number 12, it's called Ditto. Ditto is a column of light repeating infinitely above and below the audience. so guys, it's after 10 o'clock now and we are here watching the winter lights. However, I believe they are about to switch them off because they are closing up the gates. Yeah, look, they're blocking off all the gates there.
A very good evening from Canary Wharf. We're doing this over a period of 2 days because yesterday we only had an hour, so we're back again.
Right, so we went to this attraction, which I will check and tell you what the name of it is before, but apparently this one's not working tonight. Tonight being the 19th of January, 2020. Apparently it will be working other nights, because I know it was working yesterday or last night, but today it's not going to be working all night, apparently. No reason was given as to why. Sure what the point of this is, but there's loads and loads of foam with light underneath it. Oh, it's like a storm.
Yeah.
Hence the thunder. Oh, and it looks like clouds when the light flashes under it. That's so cool. So this is a Crossrail bridge, which apparently is not part of the winter lights, even though it has, as you can see, these wonderful lights that do seem to change colour and flash on and off. So this is number 13 and this is in the roof garden and it's light graffiti. So you just got to queue up, get your stick or whatever and then do light graffiti. Yeah. So these are all sort of changing and reflecting light and pink and orange, but these people here are fiddling with these switches and stuff to actually flip them and change which ones are moving, which ones are colours, which ones are silver.